Hey guys, welcome to another session today. So today we're going to talk about refactoring. Refactoring is very important because many times we may have to change the name of the file that we have over here, or within the code itself that we have written down, we may have to change it sometime. So how we do it is let's say within this specific data type casting Python file, let's say I want to change this variable name. Right now I have float underscore var2. Let's say I want to change that to something else. So what I can do, I can just right click, refactor, rename, or you can also do Shift F6. This is for Windows. And in this name right here, let's say instead of where I have float var2, let's say I want to change that to, I don't know, let's say ABC for, just for easier sake. Let's say I do that, I already refactor. You saw that both of those places have changed. Now, if I was to not do that, right? I just did Control-Z to go back. But if I just did like ABC here, now this thing just becomes an error. Now I have to go over here and manually test out all this thing again. Now imagine I have, 20, 30, 50 different places with the same variable name. Now I have to do it manually. So instead of doing this manually, we can just do we can just press Shift F6, right? And we can just rename, which is refactoring. And whatever the thing is, ABC2, whatever the name you want to change it to, it'll automatically change, and you can do it throughout your application. So it changes automatically. I'll just go back to the way it was. Another one is the name itself, the file name itself. If I want to refactor something, let's say right now it says indentation.py. If I want to refactor that, it's the same thing. You just right click and just you rename. It's also Shift F6. So if I do this, right now where I have indentation, I can just say, let's say I put indentation 1. Oops. Let me just go back. Shift F6. Sorry. Shift F6. When this shows up, let's say after indentation, let's just put 1, 2, 3. This is just an example. So what this will do, here I'll just hit refactor. This will automatically change this file name, and anywhere where this file is noted, they will automatically get changed as well. So that way it doesn't create any issues, any error or whatnot. And you can do it for all of them as well. So in the YouTube channel that I have, indentation was the second blessing. So I just wanted to change that to that name. And as you know, I cannot start with the number or anything like that. I can start with the underscore, and I'll just put 02 underscore indentation. This will just keep things simpler. Let me just copy this place. Refactor, so that's indentation, and as you can see, this will automatically change the order that it was in. The next lesson that we did was the comments. So I'll just refactor, rename, and the place where I have 02, I'll just change it to 03. And you can see that the spacing is see right there, 02, 03. So it'll just keep things in an orderly fashion. Then next one, we had variables, refactor. So this is 04. Next, we had data type. Let's do this. That was the 5th lesson. And this would be the 6th one. 06. And today, obviously, we just went over refactoring. Today we just went over refactoring. So that way today we just went over refactoring as well. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. If you do have any questions, please do let me know. If there's anything that you want me to go over now, please do comment. And as always, please do subscribe to the channel. I know some of you do watch the videos, but have not subscribed yet. Please do subscribe. It does help. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.